So you're gonna put your hair in between here, and you're gonna keep holding this until you're done, until you're at the end of your hair. Then you let go, and it's gonna hold your hair in for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, it's gonna beep, and then you pull this down. You don't have to press this because it's gonna keep pulling your hair in, and it's gonna go in there. Trust me, I did it. My hair got stuck in there, but don't worry, you can pull it out. So if you have long hair, I definitely suggest doing thinner strands. So as you can see, I'm going to put it in there, hold the button. See? Okay, now I'm done. I'm holding it. I don't even have to count. It counts for me. It's going to beep. And then you pull your hair down. So the thinner strands that you do in the curling thing, it's going to be curlier. You guys can see how these are tighter and then these are more loose because my hair is super long. If you do like a thinner strand and put it in the curling area, you're gonna get this. If you're gonna do like a thicker one, you're gonna get like these loose curls. But overall, I like it. It's easy. You guys need to add this to your Christmas list. Look at how cool this is. It's gonna beep. I did a thinner. Beep. And then let's do the reveal. Look at that curl. Yes, definitely add this. This is approved. I love it. It's easy. It's freaking wireless. You just charge it with a USB. You could change the temperature. It has an LCD screen. It's super convenient, and for travel as well. I wanted to try it so bad that I did it on my dirty hair. Now it's time to go wash my hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Don't forget to comment if you guys have any questions regarding this product. Very compact, and it came with this box. Cord-free runtime, multi-directional curl action, 4.5 hour charge time, 200 highest heat, so you can only go up to 200 degrees, anti-tangle protection, and ceramic coating barrel. So there's three heats and 4 timer settings, and it has the LCD screen. Bam! It also comes with 2 clips. So it comes with 2 of these clips for your hair. And then it has a USB charger. And then it comes with its own little velvet bag. You guys, this would be so freaking perfect if you're going on a road trip. You don't have to bring your curling iron and buy an adapter to plug into your car to try to curl your hair in your car. You just need this. Like, it's easy, small. I don't know what else to say. It's bomb. It's approved. And if you guys are curious, I'm wearing the Luna lashes today. They're the 25mm, so give them a try. You won't regret it. All right, see you guys later. Bye.